Hinahanap mo ba?
Naka lang muna. Balik ka na.
Clear mind that. Ginasi 3 random, super random questions. Think of any random number. Iniisip mo na? Okay, nakita niyo yun guys. Okay, now, baka mo to. What was the number that you thought about?
7.
7, okay. Now, next, think of any animal. Any animal, ah.
Wait a minute.
So guys, ayun na. Anong inisip mong animal?
Baboy.
Baboy. Last, think of any direction. Like up, left, right, or down. Isip mo na? Okay, nakita nyo guys, ah. Okay. Ako to. So, bago mo reveal, anong naisip mong direction? Sabihin mo sa camera.
Right. Right.
Okay, right. Right. Ano naisip mong animal?
Pork. Baboy.
Ano naisip mong number?
7.
Nakita nyo yun? Nakita nyo yun? Nakita nyo yun, ha? Nakita nyo yun? Mga saya, walang whatever. Mind reading. Ano? Amaze! Amaze! Anis! O, diba? Ganito kami sa freezing. May mga talent kami hindi nyo alam. Bira ko rin gawin yun. Boss, coffee. Okay, so, free naman eh. Coffee or matcha, boss? Okay na tayo. Oh, boss, ito yung ano for our VIP customers sa mga high-end natin. Boss, ito, check mo na yung bag mo. So, this is different compared to the leathers that yung mga display doon. Calf skin kasi to yun kasi lamb leather. Ito na kulay niyan, boss. Parang neutral to solid siya lahat. Sige, boss. Boss, ito, you can keep this. This is for the authentication of the package. We can cut it for you or you can just leave it here. Okay, si Boss Sean nga pala, we sold this Bottega cassette bag for only 135 pesos. 135,000. Ayan. So 35,000 nag-down payment na kasi si Boss and ito yung balance 100,000 na lang per payment. Kung saan ka talaga magkape or ano? Matcha. Madam, matcha. Congratulations sa pag mo siya. Nakita niya ako na yun. Wala na available. Sobrang demand yung positive. Pero global na rin talaga boss eh. Kahit ibang bansa, malakas yung demand ng confirm boss. Maraming salamat. Boss, thank you po. Thank you po. Have a great day. Nice to meet you boss. Thank you sa ulitin. Boss, salamat po ah. Thank you po. Ingat po kayo. Ayun pala guys, nabenta na yun sa minamataan ni Carl na kasi. And even si boss, banggit niya na medyo mahirap nga na maghanap ng cassette ngayon. Kasi nga guys, sobrang lakas ng demand ng Bottega. Not just here in the Philippines, not just sa store natin, but also globally, medyo malakas yung mga Bottega cassette. Depending on the color na lang siguro. Kasi parang if you go abroad, like I have another customer, shoutout pala kay Sir Sean. So he went to HK, tapos sinadya pa sa akin yung picture. He found the Bottega cassette, pero ang color is like, it's of white and black. So yung mga odd colors, sometimes you can still find it in the store or you can find it somewhere else. Pero medyo mahirap na yung mga rare colors talaga. Like for example, that one yung stitch, different yung leather quality and also the ones that we have in store. And yung black, isa yan sa mga pinakamahirap mahanap in Burgundy guys. If machambahan nyo na may makita kayo somewhere or even near sa store, then get yun na agad. Especially the prices that we have for the Bottega is very low right now. Tapos meron pala yung sa mga car. Ito pang babae mo, madam. Boss, coffee ka. Coffee kayo na madam. Hindi lang to.
Ito brother dito.
Which one, bossing? Ayan, check ko lang, boss.
Pero ano na siya, one size lang.
Yes po. Pre-order yan, boss, yung mga knitted na sweater ng RM.
Ito even the color.
Yes, boss. May pre-order naman po, other colors.
Ako sakto yung gawin na ano.
Hinahanap mo ba?
Naka lang muna. Balik ka na.
Itingnan lang po yung costing, boss, tas I'll try to give you a discount since you already bought from our main store. Ano pala nabili nyo dun, boss? Year of the Horse, and then that's what I saw, the Year of the Horse. Boss, ang lowest best price I can do for that is 18,000. From 20 actually talaga yung selling namin. Pumuna kayo, boss. Wait lang sa coffee and sa matcha. The beans that we use are actually ours. Our own. So we have a roaster then in Jensen. Kasi may business partner as a cafe. We roast them ourselves and then we ship it here. For our VIP clients lang. We don't sell it, we just want our clients to try it. Tapos yung matcha is from Japan naman. Try yung matcha, madam, promise. Like yung ibang VIP customers namin, when they try it, napapadalawa pa nga sila. Enjoy orange. Ang good to know po dyan kasi, for example, Goyard and Louis Vuitton, diba? If you notice, they're more into the, this is called synthetic canvas kasi. So, kaya siya naging shiny. If you're into, for example, durability, mas maganda yung ganito. Pero, for example, Bottega doesn't have a lot of logos on it, but they use leather. At time ages, mas maganda. Ito padded leather. Opo, boss. Ito, mostly babae naghahanap ng burgundy. Itong blue, lalaki, pwede po, at saka brown yung mabenta sa padded.
How much?
This retails for around 300, we're selling for, ito po 20, ito po 280. Ito po 140. This is lamb skin leather kasi, softer than calf skin. Kasi yun din po, 150. Po lang. I think the receipt from Bottega is clear pa for this one.
Saka ngayon sobrang hirap na.
Wala na yan, boss. Wala na. Ito, boss. This is the Bottega receipt. And Loewe, boss. It's called the Loewe camera bag. Pero usually, ano yan, ginagamit for traveling, nilagyan ng passport, phone. Mamaya mo na settle, boss. Baka magbibigay na eh. Hindi na wala. Ayun, ma'am, alam niya. Gawa niya ni ma'am. Boss, ito yung pogi pala. Oh. Ayun na, boss. Ang sarap, boss. Ayun, thank you, ah. Oh, sarap daw. Pero hindi ko sinabi ng iba siya parang hindi ko makapairam daw.
Hindi, sir.
Hindi mo siya i-mention natin yung hindi mo na kayo, ma'am. Kamusta po? 1 out of 10. 0.5, no? 11. Ay, good job. Mahal ng coffee dito, tsaka matcha, madam, no? 18K, no? 18K yung coffee, tsaka matcha. Yung sweater, free lang po yun. Thank you po, sir, madam. Salamat. You can take those to go po. Nice to meet you, Boss Ray. Thank you po.
Nice to meet
I'm
you.
the owner of the shop.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Ay,
So yun guys, nabenta natin tatlong kina Boss Dre. Actually, he already bought dun sa main store natin. One Cloud Tilt, Glacier Ice. We sold that for 13,000 and then yung Cloud, Monster Void, Year of the Horse, 14,000 and then binili nila yung RL. Knitted sweater natin dito. We sold it for 18,000 pesos lang.